What is up, YouTube? Welcome to another day in the vlog. As you guys can tell, we have just finished sanding our piece of board in the back. So we have this nice bed armor. This is going to be the inside. So basically we're going to be doing bed armor for all of the interior pieces ish type thing. So first things first is we are going to paint actually with this bed armor on this. So let's get to it. There we go. Look at that. That looks actually really nice. It looks like it has a nice texture. That'll be good and it'll be clean. So we're gonna let that dry now. Next thing we're gonna wanna do is we actually got our tires in. I just went to the tire shop this morning, got some more used tires on for all the front. We have two Michelin for the front that match. Look at the size of those tread. Before they were 165, 65, 16, and now I've changed them to 205, 70, 16. Both those are Michelin. This one is an Achilles, but this one's just the spare, so it doesn't really matter. Had everything balanced, and yeah, this is basically what we're doing. We picked up so much paint, and yeah, I'm excited for how this is all gonna turn out. Let's get today started though. We're gonna see if we can't paint the other two rims and go from there. We just sanded that one down. Boom. This one came out pretty nice. There's a little dirt, but it's all dry, so we can flip it over to do the other side now. Perfect. Now we just need to card it up with those cards again. And now we paint. First, what I do is I come in from the top and get a nice bead going around. And then I try and get a nice coat overlaying them all. Now it'll, when it dries, the paint dries, it kind of helps the cards stay together. Oh, see, that's scary right there, because that could have messed up my whole paint job. Oh, no, 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 no. Stay right in there. Stay right in there. This wind today is killing me. I'm gonna have to do this in one coat because I need to take off these cards. Oh. Oh. Dang you, dude. You're messing up my clean finish. No. Okay. Did I miss anywhere? Because if I miss somewhere, it's bad. Because I can't really redo it. Gonna have to be good enough. We need to take these cards off before they fall out. Dang it. See, that's what you're trying to avoid. Otherwise, you have problems. Taking this off when it's wet is better, because then it doesn't stick on the corners. And then I need to take off this tape piece for the chrome. That way, the same reason, you know, you don't want that to give you issue later. Okay, we have just used the grinder wheel. Now, to start on our exhaust, we have our exhaust piece. This is kind of cool. It's all patina, but you know, everything else is gonna be new. And I kind of wanted to leave it as patina and just put like a header clear on it, but you see swirl marks and stuff in it, so, and it's shiny in some places but not in others. So I think that I'm just gonna paint it all black, although it would look kind of cool with it, this rusted look, I think. That honestly looks really good. Once that dries, it won't be shiny. You can see how it's not dry right there. That'll look really clean. I'm really happy with this color, actually. Let's go sand down the other one and get that one to match. Okay, now we part cleaner it. Okay, now that that has had a chance to dry, we take our flame-proof matte black again, we go over it. Next, we have to paint this one. We did the rubberized coat on the other side, so now we just have to paint this side. Shouldn't be too hard. Should just be a nice coat of this semi-flat. There's that, looks good. Can't really complain there. Next, we just need to make sure that that's all clean and looks good, which it does. Man, this is really coming together. So I guess the next thing we just need to do is just make sure we're on top of everything. Make sure that we can just start sanding away at more parts that we have. So we currently have, as of right now, the wheels are done, that exhaust is done, those wheels are done. Just need to be shined up. Need to shine that up, do all this stuff. So I think we're gonna do that bar next. Okay, I have finally just finished polishing that up. So the next thing is we're gonna get some brake cleaner and just clean it all off. Okay guys, I have been metal grinding for literally hours. As you guys can tell, it is dark out now. The frame looks really cool though. I don't know if you guys can tell. A lot of it is done. This is what it looks like. That looks actually really nice. Debating if I wanna, you know, I think the green is right here. Debating if I want that green or that silver. It is, you know, rough. But you know, you could clear coat over it, or you can get like a sanding one and smooth this all out and make it look all polished. I don't know if polished chromoly would look really good on this or something else, but let me know in the comments down below and I might do it. You never know. Or I might just paint it with the truck ender liner and then the green over it just to smooth over all this stuff. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Thank you so much for watching it, and please make sure to hit that subscribe button to see the rest of this build process. And with nothing left to say, I guess it's time to end it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.